slime, and we put our glue in, and now I'm going to be adding some baby oil.
After you add your baby oil, you're going to want to add shaving cream. Now you don't want too much, otherwise it'll be kind of chunky. After you add your shaving cream, you're going to want to do about 10 pumps of foaming soap. After you do that, you're going to want to mix it. Once it's all mixed, you're going to want to add
your food coloring. You're going to start adding your food coloring after you add shaving cream, because if you add your food coloring and then shaving cream, it makes your color more white, lighter. So this is the consistency you're going to want.
Now, after you have done your food coloring or not, you can add some more baby oil. After you add your food coloring, you want to really mix it and make sure to get the glue in with all the other ingredients so it's not just...
So this isn't really a red, it's more of a pink right now. So I'm going to be adding about 3 or 4 or 5, 6 drops and see what happens.
Once you add your food coloring, you're going to want to add more baby oil, about 1 squirt. Or a teaspoon. After you add that, you're going to want to add your activator.
So here's my color. Are you going to add color?
I'm going to try a white slime and see what happens.
Oh.
So,
this is my color. It didn't really turn out as a red and more like a bright, cotton candy pink. So I'm just going to keep mixing. I'm going to add a little bit of more baby oil.
If you want it to be more red, you can add some more yellow to that.
Which I'm going to be doing. I did about 2 drops so far.
Oh, it's coming out really beautiful. So now I'm going to add my activator. I'm using Tide, but you can also use borax and water. Tide is really good because it makes no mess.
Now this is more of a peachy color, but now I think I'm sticking with this color because I really like it. I'm going to be adding 1 more pump of foaming soap, just because I want my slime really fluffy.
You might want to add a little bit more shaving cream or foaming soap. It depends what type of more foamy you want it to be.
So I'm going to be adding some of my activator in.
Foaming soap will make it...
Will this make it turn blue?
No. Anyway, the Tide is the Tide is very good because it's really easy and it creates no mess because your slime is really easy to make with Tide. This is my 2nd time using Tide. It's working out really well so far for me.
I'm going to be adding a little more shaving foam into mine. And some baby oil. Because I want my slime to be big. If you don't have enough glue and your parents won't let you go to Walgreens, but you have glue, add lots of ingredients and it'll make your slime bigger.
Okay, so you're going to want to keep adding in your activator slowly. So I have decided I'm actually going to use some food coloring. I'm going to do a green slime, a green and blue slime. Some drops of green. I'm calling it sea foam slime. I'm going to see how it's going to turn out.
To make sure your slime is ready for playing with, if you see if all the slime sticks on, all the slime on the bowl sticks onto your slime, and that's when it's ready to be playing with.
And if you add too much Tide, you can go under the sink or hose and wash it off, and it'll become better. I'm going to add a little more blue because it's kind of minty right now. I might end up adding more green, but I'm not sure yet.